Standard 12th Business Mathematics, Exercise 6.2, 12th question. In a business venture, a man can make a profit of rupees 2000 with the probability of 0.4 or have a loss of rupees 1000 with the probability of 0.6. What is his expected variance and standard deviation? So they have asked you to find your variance and standard deviation. So first we will just declare let x be the random variable which denotes the gain. They've asked you gain only, okay? So the gain in a business venture. Therefore, the probability distribution is just put it in a table. Capital X is equal to small x and P of x. Now go to your question over there. They have given a man can make a profit of rupees 2000 with a probability of 0.4. So profit is 2000 rupees and your probability is 0.4. And the next one is have a loss of rupees 1000. So loss means it is minus 1000. Profit is plus, okay, so loss you'll have to declare that minus 1000 with the probability of 0.6. So this will be the probability distribution function, okay. So now you'll have to go for your variance is needed and standard deviation is needed. Standard deviation is equal to root of variance of x. So your variance of x is equal to e of x square minus e of x the whole square. So you need your e of x is needed, e of x square is needed. Then you can substitute both in your variance of x. Then substitute this variance of x in your root of variance of x formula. Then standard deviation will be ready, okay. So first we will go with e of x. That is equal to, so your formula is sigma x, x into p of x. So which is equal to x into p of x, okay. So we'll get it as 2000 into 0.4 plus, this is minus 1000 into 0.6. So which is equal to, so multiply this two first, 2000 into 0.4, you'll get 800, plus into minus is minus, 1000 into 0.6, you'll get 600. So 800 minus 600 will be 200. So that is your e of x. Next is e of x square, you'll have to find it, that is inside square. So your formula is sigma x, in the place of x, just replace x square, okay, into p of x. E of x square is, just square this x, this is your x, okay, so square this x, then multiply with your 0.4. That is 2000 square into 0.4 plus, here minus 1000 is there, so minus 1000 square into 0.6. So 2000 the whole square is 40 lakh you will get. So 4 with 6 zeros you will have to write it. Because we have got 3 zeros here, so squaring you will get 6 zeros. So that is 40 lakh into 0.4 plus, this is minus square, okay, so it will become plus. 1000 square will become 10 lakh. 1 with 6 zeros you will have to put. Because 3 zeros are there, squaring you will get 6 zeros into 0.6. So which is equal to 40 lakhs into 0.4 will be 16 lakh plus 10 lakh into 0.6 will be 6 lakhs. Adding these two numbers, you'll get it as 22 lakhs. That is your E of x square. Next is variance of x, you'll have to find it. So variance of x is nothing but E of x square minus E of x the whole square. So E of x square is this 22 lakhs. So 22 lakhs minus E of x is here 200. Okay. So 200 square, which is equal to 22 lakhs minus 40,000. So which is equal to, going for a subtraction, we'll get it as 21 lakhs 60,000. So that is your variance of x. Next is standard deviation, you'll have to find it. Standard deviation is nothing but root of variance of x. So that is equal to root of, your variance of x is here, okay. So just write that answer, 21 lakhs 60,000. So root of 21 lakhs 60,000 will be 1469.69. Therefore, your conclusion is expected value is equal to here 200. So rupees 200. Then your variance is equal to 21 lakhs 60,000. Next, standard deviation is 1469.69. So this is the answer for your 12th question.